How to make social media influencer website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. So next you just need to click this button here, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Here you can bring your ideas to life with AI technology, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need social media. Just type media influencer. So basically social media blogger. I think this is the same one, so choose this one and click continue. You can choose another one if you want to. The next step, what would you like to call your website? I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Next step, what are your goals for this site? This will help Wix.com match you with tools and features set to fit your needs. So basically choose whatever you want here, whatever you need. Just I don't know what purposes do you have for this website. I'm gonna skip this step. Also, you can choose the apps you would like to add on your website to give it more functionality. So recommended for you is Plug, Instagram feed, Forms maybe. Also, you can discover more apps here, check them out. Now we can continue to dashboard. So to create a new website, you need to complete all of these steps, 5 of them. First one is done. Then you need to connect a custom domain. It's really easy to do. You should complete this by yourself. Also, you need to write your first blog post. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this one, design your website. Now you need to decide how exactly you want to design your website, customize a template or generate a design with the help of AI. So I'm gonna choose a pick a template because I really like to browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. Basically here you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one. Also, you can see this is the best match here. You can choose another one if you want. Basically, this is not final website. Obviously, you need to customize a bit this template in order to get exactly the website you want. Now we go to the Wix website editor. By the way, in my opinion, Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming language. You just need to use a website to create another website, to create your own website. So that's why I highly recommend you try this website. Try to create your website on this website. So many websites you can hear. Now we need to wait until everything loads. Here it is. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. You have plenty of pages here. You can manage them. You can change the order, add page. You can delete this page. For example, portfolio, easily delete. Also, you can see every page is divided into several parts from header to footer. And on the left you have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. So basically the main tool how to edit almost everything on this website. You need to double click on element you want to edit. For example, you want to edit this specific section, for example welcome section. Just double click on this section. Now you can edit this section. You can move whatever you want. You can change the text, for example, double click on this text, or you can click this button, edit text. For example, delete, write whatever you want, change the style, change fonts, font size. You can change the size of everything. You can, of course, you can change this image, change the background here. You can add, for example, some new image by uploading it from your computer. For example, you have such variants. For example, you can import them, you can create new one with the help of AI, you can use FreeWix images, you can add text, you can add buttons, strip, decorative, and so on. Of course, you can add section, for example about section here. Just choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page like this. Here it is. Of course, you can edit this section too. You can change the size of the section. You can easily delete all of those. You can undo in order if you misclicked. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you are done editing your website, you need to click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.